In this video, I'll show you how to use Booking.com step by step in a very simple and beginner-friendly way. So first of all, open your browser and go to Booking.com. You can also use the Booking.com mobile app if you prefer. Once the website opens, you will see a big search box in the center of the screen. Here, first enter your destination. For example, you can type a city name, a hotel name, or even a popular place. Next, select your check-in and check-out dates. After that, choose how many people are traveling and how many rooms you need. Now click on the search button. Booking.com will now show you a list of hotels and places to stay. On this screen, you can scroll and explore different options. If you want better results, you can use the filters at the top or on the side, like price range, guest rating, free cancellation, or breakfast included. This helps you quickly find a hotel that matches your budget and needs. Now, when you find a hotel you like, click on it. A new page will open with full details about that hotel. Here you can see photos, location, facilities, and real customer reviews. Scroll down and you will see the available rooms. Choose the room you want and click on Reserve or I'll reserve. Now you will be taken to the booking page. Here, you have to fill in your name, email address, and contact details. In many hotels, you will also see a message like free cancellation or pay at the property. So always read the booking conditions carefully before continuing. After filling your details, go to the final step and complete the booking. In some cases, you may need to enter your card details, and in some cases, you can pay later at the hotel. Once the booking is confirmed, you will receive a confirmation email from Booking.com. You can also see your booking anytime by opening your account and going to My Bookings.